Hello, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Chris, Customer Success here at LollyLaw, and in this video, we'll go over how to set Adobe Acrobat Reader as the default application on your computer so that when you download forms from LollyLaw, the form will automatically open in Adobe Acrobat Reader where you can see your client's information. In previous videos, we went over how to create matter records, which will load in the forms for that case type, as well as how to sync client information from their contact profile over to the forms in a couple clicks of a button. In this video, we'll focus specifically on how to set Adobe Acrobat Reader as the default PDF viewer on your group's computers. Adobe Acrobat Reader is a free application that your team can download online. Once you've downloaded it, you can set it as the default PDF viewer to view PDFs using that application. We'll walk you through the steps on how to set Adobe Acrobat Reader as the default application on your computer. To get started, we'll come here to a matter record. To the Documents tab is how you can access forms for the matter. Here, this I-131 form. The form I-131 opened here in Lolly Forms. And I have my client's name put into the subject fields. I can see the form in Lolly Forms has been populated with my client's information. Now, sometimes users at your office may try to download a form, will appear as a downloaded file in the web browser. The user were to click on the file, sometimes will open in the web browser, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or others. Here I can confirm that it's opened in my web browser because it's still within the web browser window. Sometimes when this happens, the form will appear blank like this form here. This is due to the dynamic barcodes that some forms have at the bottom of the form, which requires them to be opened in a PDF viewer such as Adobe. To set Adobe Acrobat Reader as the default PDF viewer on all of your users' computers, your users can come to their computer here, select any PDF on their computer, and right-click on it. From the dropdown, they can select Properties. If you're using a Mac computer, your option may be to get more information about the file. Here, I've selected Properties, which will open up the details of this PDF file. And under Ends With, you'll want to make sure that the default application being used to open PDFs is Adobe Acrobat Reader. Users can download Adobe Acrobat Reader online for free. Once it's downloaded to your computer as an application, you can select it as the default application for PDFs on your computer. Here, I've selected it as the default, and I'll click Set Default on my computer. Then I'll click Apply and OK. Now all PDFs will automatically be opened in Adobe Acrobat Reader on my computer. Going back to the form here, I have Lolly Forms opened in my web browser. If I click Download, the file will download to the bottom of my web browser. Rather than clicking the file directly, you'll click the triangle button here, which will give you some options. You'll select Always Open with System Viewer. If you've selected that option, you'll click on the file. And because I've set Adobe Acrobat Reader as the default PDF viewer on my computer, now that I've downloaded the form from Lolly Forms, the PDF has been opened automatically for me on my computer in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Here I can see the form and the data that I've populated to it from my client's contact profile. Now, in Lolly Forms, whenever I download a form, with these settings that I've set up, that form will automatically open for me on my computer in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Or about how to set up Adobe Acrobat Reader as the default PDF viewer on your computer, please visit our help site at help.lollylaw.com/help, or you can email us at support@lollylaw.com. We're happy to help.